This homeowner has had us come in because the kitchen had soffits, had ugly puck lights, and it was a total dysfunctional kitchen. So what we did, we came in and we took out all the soffits. We utilized her space more efficiently with taller uppers. We took out a header that was above the opening where she wanted to get a little bit more light in the kitchen. We added 4 cans and took out the center light since the kitchen was very dark. Did do a 2-piece crown on the top, and she picked a Serenity color white cabinet. The LED under cabinet lights also really reflect nice against the backsplash. It just gives you a total beautiful overall finish. On the left of the refrigerator, there was just a countertop and a 30-inch upper cabinet, and what we did is we removed them and installed a pantry sideways to allocate the space. And we also added some really nice LED interior lights in some glass doors, and it just gives that beautiful, elegant look. The countertop and the sink that she currently had was in great shape, so we recommended that we could save it, and we picked a different color cabinet and with the color of her existing countertop and sink, and actually her backsplash was only a few years old, and so we actually saved that as well. And when we put it all back together, it still added to the beautiful overall look of the project. Overall, the customer is very excited with the overall look. She achieved what she was looking for. She wanted to brighten up her dark kitchen, and we achieved that. Not only did we achieve that, we achieved it with a substantial savings to the customer by trying to retain some of the quality pieces she still had in her kitchen.